The charismatic actor Chadwick Boseman, also known as Black Panther, has died of complications from colon cancer. He was 43. Born and raised in South Carolina, Boseman studied directing at Howard University and soon built his acting career playing historic black icons like Thurgood Marshall in Marshall, Brown in Get On Up, and Robinson in 42. His family confirmed the news Friday evening, posted in social media, revealing that Chadwick was diagnosed with stage 3 colon cancer in 2016 and quietly battled for years and progressed to stage 4. The family statements, "It is with immeasurable grief that we confirm the passing of Chadwick Boseman. Chadwick was diagnosed with stage 3 colon cancer in 2016 and battled with it these last 4 years as it progressed to stage 4. A true fighter, Chadwick persevered through it all and brought you many of the films you have come to love so much, from Marshall to The Five Bloods, August Wilson Ma Rainey's Black Bottom, and several more. All were filmed during and between countless surgeries and chemotherapy. It was the honor of his career to bring the kid T'Challa to life in Black Panther. He died in his home with his wife and family by his side. The family thanks you for your love and prayers and asks that you continue to respect their privacy during this difficult time."